Processed foods are convenient, but sometimes convenience can mean large amounts of hidden sodium, fats, and sugar. A variety of different techniques are used to process food. Any food that's processed is usually frozen, canned, dried, baked, or pasteurized. The most highly processed foods will contain a lot of extra sugar, salt, oil, and calories. Preservatives are also to increase the food's shelf life. Learn which processed foods to avoid and why. Bacon. Bacon is on the top of the list. Bacon contains high levels of sodium, saturated fats, and countless preservatives. Eating this food can lead to high blood pressure, heart disease, and obesity. Try this instead. Avocado is a great alternative. It contains healthy fats and proteins. It also has a hearty, rich flavor like bacon. Flavored nuts. Did you know that flavored nuts are packed with extra salt and sugar? This extra salt and sugar can lead to weight gain, diabetes, and high blood pressure. Their sticky, sugary goodness makes them the enemy of healthy teeth. Try this instead. Shop for unsalted nuts. You can roast them, toast them, or eat them plain. Ketchup. Ketchup is just a tomato sauce, and tomatoes are healthy, so why avoid this? Well, the fact is different. Ketchup do not contain real tomatoes. It contains copious amount of hidden sugar, which makes it addictive besides being unhealthy. This is the first thing you should get rid of from your pantry. Try this instead. One way to get around using store-bought ketchup is to make it yourself. Microwave popcorn. There is nothing wrong with popcorn. There is nothing wrong with microwaving food. It's in the bag. Perfluoroalkyls are just one class of chemical found in microwave popcorn bags. These chemicals linked with health problems as impaired kidney function and poor semen quality. Try this instead. A much healthier alternative is to simply buy corn kernels and pop them on the stove yourself. Breads. The supermarket bread lasts for up to a week. It is not magic. It is due to the preservatives and additives which are loaded in. As a standard rule, any bread that lasts too long should be avoided. If you cannot avoid bread, try to switch to a local baker after confirming all ingredients. Granola bar. Granola bars are loaded with tons of sugars and a higher number of simple carbohydrates, also known as a cereal bar, stuffed with hearty grains. Granola bars are also full of added sugars which digest quickly and don't satisfy hunger for long. Despite their healthy marketing image, granola bars don't offer much in the way of good nutrition. Try this instead. Some store-bought granola bars are made with slightly less sugar. However, you may be better off making your own. Margarine. Margarine made from highly refined vegetable oils and contains lots of trans fat content. Trans fats are toxic and have no place in a healthy diet, even in small amounts. Trans fat increase low-density lipoprotein or bad cholesterol. Try this instead. The good substitutes of margarine is mashed avocado. While cooking, some nut milks and yogurts can be also used instead of margarine. Low-fat yogurt. Eating the right kind of yogurt can be a healthy choice. But low-fat yogurt isn't the way to go. The good flavor in dairy products comes from the usually plenty of added sugar. Yogurt has been pasteurized after culturing, which wipes out the friendly bacteria. Try this instead. Look for full-fat yogurt, which live cultures for probiotic benefits. Always check the nutrition labels to avoid anything high in fats, sugars, and chemicals you can't pronounce. Be sure to make fresh, simple ingredients the focus of your diet. As long as fatty, sugary, or salty processed foods are not accounting for more than 20% of your daily food intake, it should be fine. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. It helps channel a lot.